Hello everyone and welcome back to Studio 64. So today we are doing a challenge, which is something I haven't done on the channel before. So we're doing the 10 minute, 1 minute and 10 seconds challenge with Lego capes. So if you don't know how this works, in this case we have 10 minutes to make a cape, and then we have 1 minute to make a cape, and then we have 10 seconds to make a cape. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Let's get started on the 10-minute one. So I have my paper ready, I have everything I need. I've got my minifigure body. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I'm kind of going for like a, I'm not really sure how you describe it, but it's like the black brace thing that the First Order heavies wear. Also the Scout Trooper commanders in Jedi Fallen Order, they also wear. Oh god, the time's going quicker than I thought. How am I going to make a cape in 10 seconds? Okay, picking up the pace now. Okay, so we have our main outline ready. So now we just need to draw a pattern on. The timer is going a lot quicker than I thought it would do. I'm panicking now. Okay, I think that's ready to colour now. So the pauldron is orange. And I just have to outline it with a fine liner. Fine liners only really work properly when you go slow, so I don't know why I chose to use one and we have to go fast. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. But now cutting. Now this takes ages, so I might run out of time. Now onto the cutting out. Alright, 47 seconds. Hole punch. And we should be done. Okay, oh no, last one. 10 seconds. Come on, oh, I can't miss this one out now. I did it. 1 second left. Alright, let's test it on a minifigure. Okay, let's test it on a Scout Trooper. A moment of truth. On number 1 at least, because this is only the first one. Okay, so it's not as neat as I would have liked, but then again, if I spent literally any longer on it, I would have failed. Alright, that seems to be working. Just realised I put it on the wrong way around, but it doesn't really matter too much. Oh, I made it slightly too tight. Oh, have I got it over? No, it's not going to reach. Yes, I got it on. Right. Okay. Alright. So, the body piece is like, it works very well. The back's a bit loose, but it's quite hard to avoid that. And the pauldron, I'm not so keen on that. I might just cut it off and make a separate pauldron. But overall, not too bad. Okay, so now for the 1 minute one. So we're just gonna do a basic pauldron for this one, because I don't think we'll have much time for anything else. So I'm just gonna be drawing around the first order pauldron. So yeah, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I'm doing this slower than I usually do. I'm meant to be going fast. Oh, no, abandon that one, I let go. God, we've already lost 15 seconds. I'm not gonna finish this. Okay, abandon, right, freehand drawing. God, we haven't got any time. Oh God. No, okay, no black. No, we're not done. We're not done. Stop. No, 10. No. I thought I could do this in 1 minute. Maybe we'll just have to draw the outline. No, okay, alright. Time off. So, stop that. That's what we did. I think what I'll do is I'll cut it out and see how it looks. I know cutting out was part of the time in the other one, but like as we failed to finish it, I think we should cut it out. And it's not even focusing now. Alright, that was the finished result, kind of, except for I kind of cheated by cutting it out after. But let's see how it looks on the figure. Just on a 41st Legion trooper. It's not actually that bad. If I finished it, it would have been pretty good. There we go. It's very unneat, but I think he kind of pulled it off, except for we did cheat a bit, like just cutting it after. But yeah, that's for the 1 minute one. Okay, so for the 10-second one, after the 1 minute one failed I think I can't draw anything out. I'm literally just gonna have to go with the scissors and go with the hole punch and hope I get something done in time. So we're just gonna make a black cape, hopefully. Are we going? I don't know. We'll make a shape at least. Okay, so let's. Oh god. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, okay. So like that, and like that. God, ran out of time. That was faster than I thought. I know I'm done. Okay, right. But that's what we made. Right, let's test it on a figure. Yeah, it's not my best. I have to admit that. Can't even fit it on. There we go. I had to like break the paper to fit it on. Okay, so it kind of it's not that bad actually, considering I only had 10 seconds. Move that out of the way because you can't see the black on black. Alright, it's not that bad, to be honest. Like, 10 seconds, like, I could have done worse. A lot worse. It doesn't actually look that bad, to be honest. Alright, well that just about sums it up for this video. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment if you like this style of video, and I'll see you in the next one. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See ya.